You heard it right. You can sell your camera clicked photos and earn dollars for every photo. If your gallery looks something like this, where you have clicked photos of your surroundings, maybe of aquarium, maybe of some mountains, maybe of some other areas, right? So you can make money if your camera looks like this and you have clicked a lot of photos. But how you can do that? There are plenty of websites that will help you to earn money whenever someone downloads the photo that you have provided on their platform. So it's as simple as that. But which website is trustworthy and which website pays highest amount of money? For that, you need to watch the video till the very end, because I'm gonna tell you 5 secret websites that will make money just by uploading photos that you have clicked from your camera. The first very famous website that all of us use is canva.com. So if you go on canva.com, then let's say I want to create YouTube thumbnail, and then if I go on the YouTube thumbnail section, and if I come into the element section, and if I come into the, let's say I want to search some photos, and if I click on the photos, so over here you will be able to see some photos are premium, right? So whenever someone uses a premium photo, Canva asks for the subscription. So how they are like uploading the premium photos, and from where these premium photos are coming up? So all the premium photos are coming up with the help of creators. So this is you and me who are uploading their camera click photos on Canva, and when any Canva user uses that photo for their Canva design, they share some commission with us, right? That is how you can make money, by uploading the photos. So how you can upload your photo on Canva? For that, what you need to do, you need to go to canva.com, and then you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, so let me first sign out so that like I can show you immediately, or maybe you can search on Google canva.com creator program, and then it will take you the creators program, and then over here you can become the creator on Canva, and you can see, set your own hours, enjoy creative freedom, earn while you sleep. And what you can upload, so over here all the instructions have been provided, what type of photos you can upload. So if you have created any graphics with the help of Photoshop or any other designing software, you can upload your graphics, right? Or if you have clicked some of the photos just like this, right? So you can upload those photos as well. And if you have some cool templates to show, if you have created any templates so far, so you can upload those templates, and then you can, if anybody uses your template, then again you will get money out of it, right? So these are things that are accepted on Canva. So you can go ahead and like you can upload it. You can also upload the videos, because there's a video section as well, and if any Canva user uses your video in their program, in their Canva design, then again you get money out of it. So all you have to do is, you just have to click on becoming a creator, and then it will ask you some queries, and then you will be able to like fill up the form. This is as simple as creating a normal account on Canva. And once you do that, after that you will get a dashboard to upload your camera clicked photos, right? So in this case, what you have to do, the second website that is again very famous that all of us uses is Shutterstock. I know many of you have heard Shutterstock and you have downloaded images, but very few of you knows about this, that like you can become a creator on Shutterstock again, right? So if you become a creator, then what you have to do, you have to create images. You have to produce quality images that you maybe clicked on, that you maybe created with the help of again Photoshop or any other designing softwares. Then you upload it, right? You submit it in their program. Then it gets under reviewed. Once it gets under reviewed and it gets approved, and if anybody on the Shutterstock downloads your image, you get money out of it. Again, as simple as that. And then Shutterstock says that like they have paid out $1 billion so far to all the creators on Shutterstock, guys. $1 billion. That's a very huge amount that this website has paid to all the creators. So do not miss out this opportunity, because Shutterstock is a very famous website and people love to download the images from the Shutterstock, right? Now the third one is my favorite, because this website not only pays you whenever someone downloads your photo, but if someone is viewing your photo as well, again you will get paid for it. So I love this website, and the website name is clickasnap.com. Do not worry about all the links because I'm gonna link down all the websites in the description below. So you see, this is again the three steps in which you earn money: snap, share, and earn. Right. So it says that you upload your photos, and whenever you upload your photos and someone views your photo on Click a Snap, you will get paid. It is very different with the first two platforms that we covered. One is your Shutterstock, and the other one is your Canva, because on those both the platforms they pay you whenever someone uses your photo in their designs, right? But Click a Snap is one website that pays you for the view. So if someone is watching your photo and viewing it, then again you will get pay out of it, right? So again, all you have to do is you just have to click on sign up, and then it will ask for your username, your email address, password. Then you accept the conditions, and boom, you will get a dashboard after that where you will be supposed to upload photos, and whenever you upload photos and if someone watches your photos, you will get money out of it. The fourth one is for all the website developers, because you might have used Envato if you're a WordPress developer or any other developer, right? So Envato provides a lot of templates, and then again they need fresh images every time. So how again, like, images are coming up with the help of creators like you and me. So what you need to do, you can become the Envato market author today by applying into this program, and you can reach to 2 million customers. So this is basically the passive income you can generate, so you do not have to depend entirely on these platforms. All you have to do is you just have to upload your photos that are sitting inside your mobile, right, in your mobile photos section. So once you upload it, then like, you have plenty of options, not only photos. Like in Canva you can upload photos and videos. Similarly in your Shutterstock you can upload photos, but in your Envato you can upload code scripts, videos, music and audio. So if you are a fan of music, if you're a fan of creating your own audio, then you can upload it, and someone uses it, again, like, you get paid out of it. You can upload any website theme that you have created. So maybe you are a designer and you love to create UI UX design, so you can create your own website theme, and then you can upload it, and if someone uses your theme, then you can charge the money for using your asset, right? So you can upload your design assets, stock photos, 3D models. So you can, like, create 3D models with the help of AI, and then you can upload those photos, and someone uses your photos in their designs, and you know what I trying to say. So Envato provides a lot many options. This is not just restricted to, like, photos and your videos, but it is like so many options available on the Envato platform, and it is so super easy to subscribe on this platform. So it shows you that how you can earn money, sell more, earn more, spread the word, choose exclusivity, multiple markets, right? Tools support when you need it. So they have a very good support. So if you are having any issues, you can go ahead on their platform, and then you can, like, write down, like, whatever your query is, right? So try subscribing on their platform, and if you find any difficulty, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be able to help you out in creating the account and how you can sign up and become the creator on this website itself. The one last website is depositphotos.com. As the name suggests, you have to deposit your photos, and that's it. And see, this is a very super cool section where they not only provide, like, how to download photos, but they also have the live chat option. So this increases your chances of getting your images at the top. And then you can see that they also provide one like 10 images for a cup of coffee, I believe, which is just $1. So people are coming on this website, and then they are basically getting 10 images for as low as $1. So just imagine that if every other day someone downloads your 10 images, so you will be making somewhere around less than $1, because this is the fees that deposit photos charge from the user. So definitely they are not gonna pay you the complete amount that they charge from the user, but they gonna share the amount, like, there's some commission out of it, right? Because they also have to take down their operational costs and other stuff. So that is where you have to identify. But this is like super easy, guys. So just imagine that I'm only talking about the 10 images, but what if like people downloads 100 photos, because they, if I show you the traffic report, so they have a lot of traffic on their website. So let me just use this, and we can see that they have somewhere around 15 million users on their platform in the November month, and the January month they have somewhere 11 million users. Now just imagine 11 million users are there, and if only 1% user downloads your photo, so that is huge, right? So that is the money you can make just by doing nothing, because all these photos are in like sitting inside your camera gallery, right? So these are the websites that you can use to download and upload your images, and then you can earn passive income out of it. Let me know which website you are gonna use now, and what type of problems you are facing. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can let me know under this video, and I will be happy to help you out.